Would you believe that this is the healthiest pregnancy snack? This video is showing a really fun pregnancy snack. You can eat the apple. I love apples myself, and it looks like she did bake it. And the cinnamon in Chinese medicine is a very warming herb. It's great for the you and the baby. One of those safe herbs that you can eat during pregnancy. And it's in a spice form, so it's food grade, which is great to have. And then the Greek yogurt, I'm a big fan of. I've talked about getting enough protein throughout the day, especially when you're pregnant, getting between 80 to 100 grams of protein. So adding something like the Greek yogurt is really good. Yeah, this is a fun little pregnant. I don't know if it's like the best of the best, but in general, like anything that you can eat that's good and has plenty of nutrients for the you and the baby is always a good snack to have, and you can vary that with different fruits. I can even see this being done with like a pear, and pears are great if someone is more constipated during the pregnancy. So you can substitute that with the pear instead, and using a little bit of honey as well, make it super tasty. So yeah, it was fun.